Welcome to Khyber Math Academy. We are discussing a question from a past paper in the mathematics section. The question asks about the measure of each angle in a regular pentagon. To begin, let's define what a regular pentagon is. A regular pentagon is a five-sided polygon where each side and each interior angle are equal, respectively. In other words, all sides are equal in length and all angles are equal in size. In contrast, an irregular pentagon or polygon has angles that are not equal, and therefore, the sides are also not equal. Now, let's consider the properties of a regular pentagon. We can divide the interior of a regular pentagon into three triangles. Since the sum of the interior angle of a triangle is 180 degrees, the sum of the interior angles of a regular pentagon is 3 times 180 degrees, which equals 540 degrees. To find the measure of each interior angles, we divide the total sum by the number of sides, which is 5. Therefore, 540 degrees divided by 5 equals 108 degrees. The correct answer is option C, 108 degrees.